Conceal Plus sent me their magnetic wallet, so let's take a look at it. So inside we get this quick instruction card, and then finally the wallet itself. So this is going to be a nice dark brown leather. This feels really nice as well too, and it's going to be fairly big, fairly thick, but that's extra protection with the cards. And so this opens up just like so. And I believe this whole thing can be removed. Yep, it can be removed because this is magnetic. So you can put some extra cards in here. So there's going to be 2 different slots, and then another one on the inside. And as far as this portion goes, we can fit a few cards in here, and they kind of stay in place, they lock in place, and then I can lift them back up. And there's also these 2 sleeves, so you can fit other things here. On top of that, it does come with this a MagSafe magnetic wall holder. So if you don't have like the latest iPhone that has MagSafe, then you can always attach this to the back of your phone. So I don't need this magnet because my phone already has it with MagSafe, so it fits right on it, just like so. And as far as tightness goes, here I can hold it and it's not coming out anytime soon. Oops, I actually dropped my phone. And then right here, we could see it says card blocker. So this is gonna be RFID protection. Now let's put a few cards in here so we can see what it looks like. All right, so when inserting the cards in here, there is gonna be some sort of pressure. So when I put them upside down, they're not gonna fall off. And when I push them all the way down, you're gonna hear they lock in place. So now they're not coming out at all. These are nice and secure inside this magnetic case. And when I shift this down, we get all the cards that pop up. So here I got my 3 credit cards and my license, and I still can fit a few more cards. So let me actually grab the max number of cards I can fit in here, and I'll be right back. All right, so I had a few more cards in here, totaling 6. And if I try to put just one more in here, it doesn't fit. It's way too tight that I don't think it's even worth putting in. So it looks like 6 is the max, including the license. So it's gonna be 5 of the thick credit cards, and then the license, which is gonna be thinner. And when I push this downwards, here's what it looks like. So it got pretty tight now, but these are of course very secure and they're not coming off anytime soon. So this is really cool. And I can put this back on this sleeve and then lock it in place just like so. And I also want to see if this works with MagSafe still with the case. So no, it does not. So you would just carry this as a separate wallet. And if you want to put it on your phone, of course, just take it off from this and then put it on the back of your phone. Now, one more thing I forgot to mention about this is there is an extra sleeve over here. So if you want to fold over some bills, you can put some as well too. But yeah, that's a quick look at the magnetic wallet by Conceal Plus.